Hello sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you in my drawing class. Today we're gonna draw a cute rainbow duck. Let's check if everything is ready to the lesson. We will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, a beak, a rainbow head, body, wings, and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, beak, rainbow head, body, wings, and legs. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. We're gonna draw a long horizontal line, then short diagonal lines on both sides, on the left side and on the right side. Then we're gonna draw a big upside down U shape. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's add 6 horizontal lines inside the head. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then let's draw a head. Draw 2 vertical lines on both sides under the head, on the left side and on the right side. Then we're gonna draw a beak. Draw a big oval under these lines. Repeat after me. Oval. Oh, you're doing great. Now let's add eyes. 2 dots inside the head, on the left side and on the right side. 2 short lines inside the beak for nose and U shape under the nose for smile. Then let's add C shape on the right side over here and on the left side backward C shape for blush. Then let's draw the neck. Draw 2 vertical lines under the head. Now we're gonna draw the body. Draw a line over here and go to the right. Then we're gonna draw a big U shape over here. I start over here under the neck. Draw down, curve right, up and connect with this line. Okay, then let's draw the wings. The first wing we are gonna draw inside the body. Draw a curve, then U shape under this line. Then let's draw another wing on the left side. I start over here and draw sideways U shape. Now let's add some details. Draw 2 bumpy lines over here, the first and the second, and over here. Repeat after me. Then draw 2 horizontal lines over here, under the neck, a curve over here, and here. Then let's draw the legs. Draw 2 vertical lines under the body. That line is longer than the first one. Then draw 2 lines and connect them with 3 curves. Then let's draw 2 diagonal lines at another diagonal lines, bend sides, and connect them with 3 upside down U-shapes. Wow, I like your drawing! You're doing great! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Facebook or Boosty. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you can download my free coloring book in Boosty page. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. I will color the head in the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The head will be green. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. The blush will be pink. The beak will be orange. You can choose any color you like. The neck will be green again. This line will be white. Then I choose orange again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you're doing great! The wings will be brown. You can choose any color you like. The belly will be yellow. The tail will be green again. And the legs will be light brown. Wow, what a wonderful drawing! I love your dog. It's so cute. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you. Bye bye.